Let's continue exploring the charming, beautiful elements of Mediterranean stone houses. Perhaps this video will inspire you to build your very own. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap the bell button so you won't miss any of our videos. Then, we have home offices and reading nooks that serve as inspiring environments for both work and relaxation. In today's fast-paced world, having a designated area for productivity and comfort is crucial. These offices are thoughtfully designed to boost creativity, featuring ample natural light and scenic views that encourage motivation. Picture yourself sinking into a cozy ergonomic chair at a beautifully crafted desk, possibly made from reclaimed wood or sleek marble, providing the perfect setting for focused work. Clever storage options, such as floating shelves and built-in cabinets, help keep the workspace tidy without compromising the room's light and open atmosphere. These thoughtful designs provide ample space for books, office supplies, and personal items, ensuring everything is within reach yet neatly organized. Natural light floods the room through large windows, creating a refreshing environment that promotes focus and creativity. The calming views outside also serve as a lovely backdrop, making it easy to take short breaks and recharge. Whether working on a project or brainstorming ideas, this space encourages productivity while providing a peaceful retreat. Hidden in quiet corners are lovely reading nooks that invite you to enjoy a good book. Picture a window seat with soft cushions and a cozy blanket, offering a great view of the beautiful Mediterranean landscape outside. This peaceful spot is perfect for relaxing and finding some quiet time. Whether soaking up sunlight during the day or enjoying the warm glow of a lamp at night, these reading areas are ideal for escaping into a story and taking a break from everyday life. Soft, adjustable lighting from a stylish floor lamp creates the perfect atmosphere for diving into a book or simply enjoying a moment of calm. A small side table can hold your favorite drinks and a scented candle, while a nearby bookshelf showcases your beloved books and special items. These well-designed spaces demonstrate that work and relaxation can coexist in your home, offering cozy spots for both productivity and leisure. Enter these peaceful bedrooms and feel the burdens of the day fade away. These serene retreats merge modern luxury with soothing aesthetics, creating an inviting atmosphere ideal for rest and rejuvenation. Each room features soft color palettes that promote relaxation, complemented by natural materials like wood and stone to enhance the calm vibe. Comfortable bedding, plush pillows, and high-quality linens invite you to sink in and unwind. Large windows allow natural light to fill the space, offering beautiful views of the surrounding landscape and creating a connection to nature. Thoughtful design elements, such as layered lighting and cozy seating areas, add to the comfort, making these bedrooms perfect for reading or enjoying quiet moments. Soft, neutral colors inspired by the sands and stones of the Mediterranean create a calming atmosphere, while carefully chosen furnishings add a touch of simple elegance. Imagine a beautiful bed, with a comfy upholstered headboard and nightstands that appear to float mid-air. Light. Sheer curtains gently filter the sunlight, giving the room a dreamy feel, while blackout curtains ensure a good night's sleep. As you settle into the soft bedding, featuring high-quality sheets and a fluffy duvet, a sense of calm envelops you. Cozy area rugs and natural fibers feel great underfoot, while a thoughtful selection of artwork showcasing peaceful landscapes contributes to the room's relaxing vibe. These bedrooms are not just for sleeping. They are peaceful retreats where you can recharge your mind and body. A comfy reading chair by the window offers a perfect place for morning reflection or evening relaxation. Each day begins with you feeling refreshed and ready to take on whatever comes your way, knowing you have this tranquil haven to return to every night. Experience everyday luxury in a Mediterranean spa-inspired bathroom. These peaceful spaces blend modern design with rustic elements, creating an atmosphere of complete relaxation. Picture starting your day with a refreshing shower in a beautifully tiled stone enclosure, featuring a rainfall showerhead and a handheld sprayer for maximum comfort. In the evening, unwind with a long soak in a deep freestanding tub, designed with an organic shape that calls to mind ancient Roman baths. Large format tiles in natural stone or wood-look porcelain create a seamless and luxurious appearance on the floor and accent walls. Every detail is thoughtfully designed for comfort and well-being, from heated floors that warm your feet on chilly mornings to smart storage solutions like floating vanities and recessed medicine cabinets. Imagine a double vanity topped with a stunning slab of veined marble or quartz paired with vessel sinks and wall-mounted faucets for a sleek, modern look. Soft ambient lighting from sconces and backlit mirrors adds a calming touch, while a skylight or clear-story windows allow natural light to fill the space. Embrace the Mediterranean way of life with our beautiful outdoor living spaces. Whether it's a cozy balcony or a spacious terrace, these areas are designed for you to enjoy the lovely weather and stunning views throughout the year. Imagine starting your day with coffee as the sun rises, sitting in a comfy wicker armchair with soft, weather-resistant cushions. As the day goes on, you can relax under retractable awnings or a pergola adorned with blooming vines, providing shade to enjoy the fresh air without feeling too hot. These outdoor spaces invite you to unwind, entertain, and enjoy the natural beauty around you, making every moment feel special. Evenings are perfect for gathering with friends for a delightful outdoor dinner beneath the stars, surrounded by the soft light of string lights and the gentle glow of lanterns. These adaptable outdoor areas beautifully merge indoor and outdoor living, making it easy to enjoy fresh air and sunshine throughout the year. An outdoor kitchen with a built-in grill, small fridge, and stone countertops simplifies entertaining. A fire pit with low seating encourages warm conversations late into the night. Lush greenery in terracotta pots, including fragrant herbs and artistic succulents, adds vibrancy and connects you to nature. From peaceful moments to festive gatherings, these outdoor spaces are ideal for creating unforgettable memories while embracing the stunning charm of your Mediterranean setting. And this ends our enchanting journey of Mediterranean stone houses. What do you think of this design? Is this your dream house? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification button to stay updated on the latest.